Question: in which year Regulating Act was passed? A. 1753, B. 1757, C. 1764, D. 1773. Correct answer is D. 1773. Question: in which of the following acts for the first time provision was made for the post of Governor General of Bengal? A. Regulating Act, 1773, B. Pitt's Indian Act, 1784, C. Charter Act of 1813, D. Act of 1833. Correct answer is A. Regulating Act, 1773. Question: the Regulating Act was passed in A. 1773, B. 1774, C. 1785, D. 1793. Correct answer is A. 1773. Question: in which year was the Regulation Act passed? A. 1757 AD, B. 1765 AD, C. 1773 AD, D. 1793 AD. Correct answer is C. 1773 AD. Question: under the provision of Regulating Act, a provincial assembly for Bihar was set up in A. 1772, B. 1774, C. 1776, D. 1778. Correct answer is B. 1774. Question: the Supreme Court was set up for the first time in India under the A. Regulating Act, 1773, B. Charter Act, 1853, C. Government of India Act, 1935, D. Indian Constitution Act, 1950. Correct answer is A. Regulating Act, 1773. Question: Supreme Court of Kolkata started in India was introduced by the Act of A. 1773 Act, B. 1909 Act, C. 1919 Act, D. 1858 Act. Correct answer is A. 1773 Act. Question: the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court established by the East India Company was A. Elijah Impey, B. Courtney Ilbert, C. Philip Francis, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Elijah Impey. Question: which act gave the right to reject the decision of the committee to Governor General? A. Regulating Act of 1773, B. Pitt's India Act of 1784, C. Act of 1786, D. Act of 1813. Correct answer is C. Act of 1786. Question: which of the following acts empowered Lord Cornwallis to overrule the decision of his council? A. Regulating Act, B. Act of 1786, C. Charter Act of 1793, D. Charter Act of 1813. Correct answer is B. Act of 1786. Question: by a regulation in 1793, The district collector was deprived of his judicial powers and made the collecting agent only. What was the reason for such regulation? A. Lord Cornwallis felt that the district collector's efficiency of revenue collection would enormously increase without the burden of other work. B. Lord Cornwallis felt that judicial power should compulsorily be in the hands of Europeans, while Indians can be given the job of revenue collection in the districts. C. Lord Cornwallis was alarmed at the extent of power concentrated in the district collector and felt that such absolute power was undesirable in one person. D. The judicial work demanded a deep knowledge of India and a good training in law, and Lord Cornwallis felt that district collector should be only a revenue collector. Correct answer is C. Lord Cornwallis was alarmed at the extent of power concentrated in the district collector and felt that such absolute power was undesirable in one person.